Wanted to get some new SD cards for my drones. This Avata drone takes an SD card here in the side panel, and that way you can record. You can record internally and then plug it into a computer, but I'd rather plug into a SD card. So based on reviews, I went with this Amazon set. Let's go ahead and open it up here out of the box that it comes in. Comes with the SD card itself. This one's the 256, and then it comes with the adapter so that you can insert it into some of the different card readers and computers out there. But this little card is going to fit perfect into the drone, and it'll just snap right in there. We might need to format it, but there we go. Hope that helps.